This exceptional Vogel wand is a breathtaking example of near-perfect clarity, cut from natural Brazilian clear quartz. Within its expansive landscape, you'll find delicate specks of chlorite along one facet, an ancient whisper from the crystal's long journey of formation. These inclusions, far from the vortex, enhance its story without interrupting its powerful flow of energy. Expertly crafted to the sacred specifications of Dr. Marcel Vogel and aligned with the hexagonal core structure, an energetic masterpiece in both form and function. Its balanced design, polished with love and precision, makes it an ideal companion for healing, meditation, and energy work. Clear quartz is known as the universal healing stone, a powerful energy amplifier that helps balance, clarify, and focus your intentions. Whether you're seeking spiritual growth or deep energetic alignment, this crystal opens the mind and heart to receive guidance from higher realms. Perfectly cut, energetically tuned, and beautifully crafted, this wand is ready to support your journey of transformation and manifestation.